Hey everyone, you're about to see some of the most insane, unbelievable moments ever captured. Things so wild you'll think they can't be real, but they are. Every second brings a new shock, a new twist, a new idea that hits harder than the last. So don't even blink, and whatever you do, don't miss the final clip. Because that one is absolutely unbelievable. Stick around and hit follow so you never miss videos like this again. Watch how a simple metal plate turns into a work of art. Every cut, every tap, and every stroke is done with incredible precision. The craftsman shapes the design step by step, revealing a beautiful pattern hidden inside the steel. This is pure skill, patience, and mastery in action. She starts by peeling off the floral sticker and carefully placing it along the side of the stairs. Step by step, she smooths it out, making sure every edge lines up clean. In just a moment, the plain staircase turns into a bright, colorful walkway. Road marking looks simple, but it takes real precision. Watch how carefully he measures, aligns, and paints every line, so drivers stay safe and the road stays organized. Perfect accuracy in every stroke. Watch this craftsman turn plain cement into a stunning 3D design. With steady hands and perfect precision, he carves out each circle one by one. Every stroke of the tool reveals smoother edges and cleaner shapes. What started as a flat wall slowly transforms into a detailed decorative pattern. This level of skill takes patience, control, and years of experience. Proof that true artistry can be created even from cement.